squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Wrinkle up your funny nose, stick a nut between your toes. Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Green frog, hopping in the pond. Green frog, hopping in the pond. Stick your tongue out, catch a fly, watch the fish go swimming by. Green frog, hopping in the pond. Bluebird, spread your wings and fly. Bluebird, spread your wings and fly. Wake up early, catch a bug, give your chicks a great big hug.